happening, my green loving community? I'm Hilton Carter, the plant doctor here, and I have answers to your questions. So let's get started. Hey Maybelline, so as far as fertilizer goes, I use Eleanor's VF11. Family friend of mine told me about this perfect fertilizer when I first got into plants, and I've been using it ever since. Hey Janine, you have south-facing windows, so perfect. You don't have to worry about issues with your fiddle leaf fig as long as they are getting some sort of great light in that space. So as far as how much light, they can endure as much as possible. A south-facing window is perfect. Now, if you had a southwest-facing window, that might be an issue. So as long as it's getting bright indirect light, you should be solid. Nipped by the bug, definitely wait to repot until spring. I always say, don't repot, don't start fertilizing until spring, and do as much as possible throughout spring and throughout summer, and then stop once it starts to get cold again. So yes, so just hold on for a few more weeks, and then that's when you'll want to repot your fiddle leaf fig. Michelle, rubber tree leaves. First of all, so happy that you have a rubber tree. It's one of my favorite plants, so bravo. The best way to care for a rubber tree plant is to make sure that you are giving it the right amount of water. So the reason why your leaves are curling is because you are probably a little bit hesitant to give it a lot of water, but you have to water it more. Make sure that that water is coming out of the drainage hole, and that's when you'll know that you've given it enough water. Well, I hope I helped. I hope I was able to answer some of your questions. If you have more, please leave them in the comments down below. If you enjoy watching Plant Doctor videos and getting these tips, please subscribe to the Apartment Therapy channel.